Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add Magnifier shortcut to the control center. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down and tap at Control Center. And now at More Controls section you have to find Magnifier and then just tap at that plus sign to move it to Included Controls, which means that Magnifier shortcut is already at the Control Center. You can swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up Control Center. That is the Magnifier shortcut. You can just tap on that to use Magnifier in that way. And then also, from here, you can change the order of shortcuts in the simple way. You can just hold down your finger and drag it up or down. Let's say I want to place it at the very first position, and that also moves this Magnifier shortcut to the very first position on the control center. Also, from here you can easily remove any shortcut. Just hit at that minus sign and then select remove. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.